If you are a busy mom after pregnancy wondering when your belly will shrink, when it is safe to work out, and how to lose baby weight at home without hurting your body, this video is for you. After giving birth, most moms feel pressure to bounce back, but no one talks about how confusing postpartum fitness really is. You are tired, your body feels unfamiliar, you don't have time for the gym, and you are scared of doing the wrong exercises. Please, before we continue, please note this video is for educational purposes only. Always consult your doctor or midwife before starting any postpartum workouts, especially after a C-section or complications. Now let's handle some common questions. Like for example, when can you start working out after postpartum? Most doctors and specialists recommend waiting about 6 weeks. But keep in mind that everybody is different. Recovery always comes before weight loss. Another question is, when does the belly shrink postpartum? Your belly does not shrink overnight as many people try to advertise. Hormones, core muscles, and fat loss all take time, often several months. The other question is, what happens if you do not wait 6 weeks? You risk core damage, pelvic floor issues, and even delayed healing. That is why I created the post-pregnancy fitness guide, safe and effective workouts for busy moms. It is a gentle, realistic home workout guide designed for moms who want to lose baby weight without rushing or hurting their bodies. Now, what is really inside this guide? Let us try to preview some of the things you are going to really discover as you go through this guide. As we can see, this is the guide. Post-pregnancy fitness guide. Safe and effective workouts for busy moms. Gentle recovery and weight loss tips that will really help you to recover really gently and progressively. And then you try to see the picture of a mom kindly holding a baby, trying to figure out. Before, you need to first of all read this important safety medical disclaimer. Then as you move on, there is an introduction reassuring you that you are not alone in this situation. Other moms face the same and they were able to cope. Then you have some exercises that can really help you to really recover progressively, not in a rush. And also the importance of eating well. Very important to follow this guidance, taking care of your body too as you go through this process. Also following some recovery tracker, weekly fitness that will really help you also. And also you have this very interesting part that is showing you some photos of safe exercises that you can carry out to recover progressively. Just following these simple steps, you will see how you can recover progressively, not rushing into the recovery process. Please just get the guide, and then you have some motivational quotes from other moms who went through the same process, and you will see how they were able to cope with this period, this postpartum depression. You really see that you are not alone in this fight. Just get the guide, please. Yes, just as you really saw. Inside this guide, you have safe post-pregnancy home workouts. You have something like 15 to 20 minutes routine for busy moms. And keep in mind that no equipment is required. You have guidance for belly recovery and even core strength. You have mommy fitness habits you can actually stick to. And the good part, this guide is less than $15 US. Yes, if you are ready to stop guessing and follow a safe plan, just click on the link in the description to get this guide. Please click on the link to get the guide, and as I said, it's less than $15 US. Please take care of your body and be reassured that following these steps, you'll be recovering progressively, and stop following advice that sell you things that are not really realistic. Thank you very much for paying attention.